Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see one question from Kangaroo Past Paper Question 2022 Benjamin. Let's get started. We will see question number 29 from Kangaroo Past Paper Question Benjamin 2022. The three pictures show a structure made from cubes as seen from the top, from the front and from the right. What is the maximum number of cubes that could have been used to build the structure? They give you these three figures. The figure you can see from the top, from the front and from the right. When we have to write the maximum number of cubes used to build that figure, the top view is the best view to judge that answer. We will see the top view and then we will see the front and the right view and fill the numbers. Let's see the top view first. This is your top view and we are just giving the name as one row, second row, third row and the fourth row as A, B, C, D. First column, second column, third column and the fourth column as P, Q, R, S. This is your front side of the picture. When you look the picture from the front side, it will look like that. Let's compare this top and the front figure. This is your top view and you are standing in front of that. You can see the numbers P, Q, R and S. In the front picture, I have written P, Q, R and S because I can see P, Q, R, S when I am sitting in front of the top figure. If this is P, Q, R, S, we have to write down this number and we have to fill it in the top figure. As you can see that there is only one cube here. Let's write down the answer here as one cube here. If you can see that here there are three cubes. Let's write down 3 in all the places here because I can see 3 cubes. Let's see the R part. There are again 3 cubes. Let's write down 3 in all the places whatever I can see here. Let's see S. There is only one cube. Let's write down here at 1. This top view now we have filled while looking at the front picture. I have to fill the top view again while looking from the right side also, or basically this is the side way. Let's see that this is your top view again and this is your right view. You are standing and you are looking from the right side. When you are looking from the right side, you can see A, B, C and D. Let's write down here in front of the right figure A, B, C and D here. But when you are looking from the right side, your picture, this picture is not in this shape. You can see the picture in this shape. You are looking from this side of the picture. From the right side, when you are looking the picture, you can look from this side and your picture is like this. What is the meaning of that? This means that I need to flip my picture here. I should flip my picture and it will be like this. As you can see from here, we have drawn the picture like this. And these are the portions A, B, C, D we have. Now, can we fill the number of the cubes we have? At A, we have 1 cube. Let's write down the answer here as 1 cube here. After that, you have 2 cubes. Let's write down 2 in all the places we have. In the third place, we have 3 cubes and in the fourth place also we have 3 cubes. Let's write down all the numbers here with 3, 3, 3, 3 and 3. We need to compare the top figure which we have filled the numbers here and the right figure which we have done here. I placed it both of them here for you. If we have to compare both of them, we can't compare it because here there are 2 cubes here and here there is only 1 cube. If you remember that we have tilted our top figure while writing it down the right side. We should again move this figure here and we should make it like that. Let's do it here. I flipped this figure in this shape which I have just shown you here. So these 3 will come on the top. So as you can see that here, this 3 will come here, these 3 will come here. And your top figure will look like this. Now we can easily compare our 2 figures. How we are going to compare that? We have to take the minimum number of all the blocks here. If we see that this is 1 and this is 2 here, what is the minimum number? Minimum number is 1. Let's write down 1 here as the answer. Let's see the second block here. This is 3 and this is 2. Which is the minimum number? 2, right? Let's write down 2 here. Let's see the third block. This is 3, this is 2. Which is the minimum number? 2, right? Let's write down 2 here. We will look this part. This is 3 and this is 1. Which is the minimum number? 1, right? Let's write down here 1. Let's see the next cube here. This is 3, this is 3. So both are 3. Let's write down 3 here. This is 3, this is 3. So 3 is common. Let's write down 3 here. This is 1, this is 3. What is the minimum number? 1, right? Let's write down here 1. Next, if we'll see this one, this is 3, this is 3. So let's write down 3 here. If we check this block, this is 3 and this is 3. Let's write down 3 here. I need to add all the blocks here. If you add 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1, your answer will be equal to 19. This shows you that the maximum number of cubes that have been used to build the structure is 19. That will be your answer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.